Most people misunderstand passive income. They think it means making money without doing anything. That's not how it works. Real passive income requires effort up front, and then it pays you repeatedly over time. In this video, I'm going to show you real passive income ideas that actually work, how they work, and how beginners can start. No hype, just systems. All platforms mentioned will be linked in the description below. Idea 1. Digital products. The first and most accessible passive income stream is digital products. These are products you create once and sell repeatedly. Examples include templates, ebooks, planners, Notion dashboards. One of the best platforms for this is Etsy, operated by Etsy. When you open Etsy, the homepage shows a marketplace filled with product listings. There's a search bar at the top, and categories like digital downloads, home decor, art, business tools. To get started, you create a product, for example, a budgeting template. You upload it once. After that, people can buy it repeatedly without additional work. This is what makes it passive. The link to Etsy is in the description below. Idea 2. YouTube automation. The second passive income stream is YouTube content creation, also known as YouTube automation. This is exactly the model you're building. You create videos using AI voiceovers, stock footage or gameplay, and simple editing. Once a video is uploaded, it can generate revenue through ads for years. YouTube pays creators through its monetization program once they meet the requirements. Many channels generate consistent monthly income from videos they created months or even years ago. The key is consistency and topic selection. Idea 3. Affiliate marketing. The third passive method is affiliate marketing. This means promoting products or services and earning a commission when someone signs up or makes a purchase. For example, you can recommend tools like Canva, created by Canva. When you visit Canva, the homepage includes design categories, templates, and AI tools. You can create content around how to use Canva and include your affiliate link in the description. Every time someone signs up through your link, you earn a commission. This works especially well with YouTube videos, blogs, and TikTok content. Link in description. Idea 4. Print on demand. This is one of the simplest online business models. You create designs, upload them, and the platform handles everything else. A good platform for this is Redbubble, operated by Redbubble. When you open Redbubble, you'll see products like t-shirts, hoodies, phone cases, posters. You upload your design once. Whenever someone buys it, Redbubble